Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluency Podcast. It's great to be here again, and I'm very happy to be talking with you today, Sarah.
Hi, Elias, and hi to all our listeners. I'm happy to be here too. Today, we're going to share our personal opinions about different things, which is something people do all the time in real life.
Yes, expressing what we like and what we don't like is so important in everyday conversations. You can talk about food, music, activities, weather, habits, so many topics.
And the good thing is that you don't need complicated English to do that. Simple sentences work perfectly.
Exactly. So let's start with something very common, food. Sarah, what foods do you really like?
I love fruit, especially mangoes and strawberries. I also really like warm soups. They make me feel relaxed and comfortable.
I enjoy soup too, especially on cold days. One of the foods I enjoy the most is pasta. I think I could eat it almost every day.
Pasta is great. Do you like simple pasta or pasta with a lot of ingredients?
I prefer simple pasta. Tomato sauce, a bit of cheese, nothing too heavy. What about you?
I like pasta with vegetables, like peppers or spinach. But there's one food I really don't like, mushrooms.
Really? I actually enjoy mushrooms a lot. I put them in pasta dishes all the time.
That's funny. Everyone has different tastes. What food do you not like?
I don't like olives. The flavor is too strong for me. I also don't like food that's extremely salty.
Same here. Too much salt makes me feel tired. And very spicy food is something I avoid. A little spice is okay, but too much is difficult for me.
I agree. Very spicy food takes away the real flavor of the meal for me.
Now, let's talk about drinks. What drinks do you enjoy?
I love coffee. I drink at least 1 cup every morning, sometimes a second one later in the day.
I prefer tea. Green tea is my favorite, but I also enjoy mint tea and chamomile tea.
Hot drinks feel peaceful somehow. I like Warner with the lemon too, but one drink I really don't enjoy is soda. It's too sweet for me.
Same. I almost never drink soda. I prefer something lighter.
What about activities? What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy walking in the park. I like reading at night before bed, and I love listening to music, especially when I'm cooking or cleaning.
That sounds nice. I also like walking, especially after a long day. I enjoy cooking too, but only simple recipes.
What things do you not enjoy doing?
I don't enjoy running. I know it's healthy, but I don't like how it feels. I also don't enjoy shopping for clothes. It makes me tired.
I understand that. For me, I don't like cleaning the bathroom. It's something I always delay.
Yes, cleaning the bathroom is not enjoyable for anyone, I think.
Let's talk about music. What kind of music do you like?
I like instrumental music, mostly piano. I also enjoy jazz. It helps me focus when I work.
I like calm pop music or acoustic songs, something soft and relaxing.
Is there any music you don't like?
I don't like heavy metal. It's too loud for me.
I'm not a fan of it either. I can listen to maybe one song, but not more.
What about weather? What kind of weather do you enjoy?
I enjoy cool, sunny days. I like when the air is fresh, but not too cold.
That's my favorite too. I also enjoy cloudy days. They make me feel calm.
Do you like rain?
I like the sound of rain when I'm inside, but not when I have to go somewhere.
Same here. And one type of weather I don't like is strong wind. It makes everything feel chaotic.
Yes, I don't like wind either, and extremely hot days are very uncomfortable for me.
Heat makes me feel slow and tired.
Now, what about habits? What good habits do you like in yourself?
I like that I wake up early. I enjoy having slow, peaceful mornings before starting my day.
That's a great habit. I like that I stay organized. I enjoy planning my day and writing small lists.
What habits do you want to change in yourself?
I use my phone too much at night. I want to reduce that.
Same. I often stay awake longer because I'm scrolling on my phone.
And what habits do you like in other people?
I like when people listen carefully and don't interrupt.
I like when people are polite and say please and thank you. Small things make conversations nicer.
Definitely. And what habits do you not like in others?
I don't like when people complain all the time. A little is normal, but constant complaining is difficult to be around.
Yes, that can be tiring. I don't like when people talk loudly in quiet places.
Same.
Let's share some quick opinions about everyday things. I'll say something I like or don't like, and you react.
Okay, let's do it.
I really like evenings when everything feels calm.
Me too. Evenings are relaxing.
I don't like loud alarms in the morning.
Same. They make me jump.
I love the smell of fresh bread.
Oh, yes, that's one of the best smells.
I don't like forgetting my keys and having to go back home.
I hate that. It happens to me too.
What small things do you like?
I like warm blankets in winter. I like slow mornings on weekends. And I like drinking tea while reading.
Those sound peaceful.
And small things I don't like, stepping on cold floors, running late, and loud phone notifications.
I agree with all of those.
You see, opinions help keep conversations alive.
Yes, and you can disagree politely. You can say, I'm different, or I don't feel the same way, and the conversation continues.
Exactly. There is no right or wrong when we talk about opinions. Everyone is different.
And that's what makes conversations fun.
I enjoyed sharing my opinions today, Elias.
Me too, Sarah. It's always interesting to discover what we have in common and what we don't.
Thank you to everyone listening to Fluency Podcast.
Keep practicing your English, keep sharing your thoughts, and keep improving step by step.
We'll talk to you again in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.